In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix cannot change App Store country or region. If you're trying to switch your App Store country or region and you keep getting blocked, don't worry. Follow along and we'll go through the exact steps to fix it with tips to make sure nothing gets in the way. First, turn off any VPN. Open Settings, tap General, then go to VPN and Device Management. If you see a VPN connected, disconnect it. A VPN can make Apple think you're in a different location, and that mismatch is a common reason region changes fail. Once it's off, come back to the home screen. Next, check your active subscriptions. Go to Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, and choose Subscriptions. Look carefully at everything listed. If any subscription is still active, even if it renews later, that will block the region change. You'll need to cancel those subscriptions and wait until they fully expire. For example, if you're subscribed to something like a premium social app, cancel it first before proceeding. When all subscriptions show as canceled or expired, you're good to move on. Now verify your payment method. Go back to your Apple ID and tap Payment and Shipping. Make sure you have a valid payment method that matches the new country you're switching to. If needed, add a debit or credit card that's supported in that region and ensure the billing address is accurate. Incorrect or missing payment information is another common roadblock. After that, sign out and sign back in to refresh your account. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID, scroll down and tap Sign Out. Restart your iPhone to clear temporary issues, then sign back in with your Apple ID. This quick reset often resolves hidden errors. Finally, make the change. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID, go to Media and Purchases, then tap View Account. Select country, region, choose your new country, and follow the on-screen steps. You'll likely need to accept the terms and set the billing address and payment method for that country. Complete those prompts, and the switch should go through. A few last reminders. Make sure you have no pending balances on your account, cancel all subscriptions before attempting the change, and use a valid billing address for the new region. Keep in mind that app availability and pricing can vary by country, and some previously downloaded items might not be available after the switch. And that's it. If this helped you fix the cannot change App Store country or region issue, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more App Store tips and tutorials.